fam, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I hope you consider subscribing, and if you're already on the Glam fam, then welcome girlies and my booskies. But yeah, so let's get into this video. Today we are opening our IPSY September box. Yeah. So let's get it open, y'all. So we have our IPSY box and we have our IPSY bag. So we're gonna open the IPSY bag first. I'm gonna tell y'all a little bit about each one. So in the IPSY Glam bag, you will get 5 deluxe beauty samples. You will get to choose one of those products, and then they will choose the rest of the other products. The Glam bag is worth up to $70 of products, so that's pretty good. Y'all cannot beat that. And to subscribe for a monthly subscription, it is only $14. Come on now, you pay $14 versus $70. Come on, like, and you get some good stuff. So let's open this up right now and see what's in here. So this shouldn't take long, y'all. I just want to show y'all what we got. And I'm hoping it's some really good stuff, because this card says, that come in here, it says, enter your soft era. It says, buy yourself flowers, tend to your skin, take a leisurely stroll. This month, we're pampering you with nourishing skincare, prep and set perfectors, and ethereal makeup for an otherworldly glow that starts from the inside out. Oh, let's see what's in here. All right, let's see what's in this bag. So, ooh, y'all, this is the your soft era. So this is what the card looks like that came in the IPSY bag, and this is like a little sneak peek. Ooh, so it has a little Benefit mascara on here. So let's see what's in the little Glam bag. Ooh, get into the bag, y'all. It's so cute. And let's see what the charm looks like. Very cutesy, right? And the back says IPSY. Okay, y'all, so let's see. This is what it looks like in the box. First, we have Cherry Blossom Glow Jelly Cream. Y'all, I purposely did not put on any makeup. I threw on some little lashes or whatever, and a little product lip balm, but I didn't really do too much. You know, didn't do too much. This is what the product looks like. Maybe not. There we go. Can y'all see it? All right, so let's see what it's giving. It says, how do we use this? It says illuminate and brighten and glow. So I'm trying to see if you have to rinse this off. It just says facial cream. All right, let's see. And it's not directed to that you would have to rinse it off. So let's see if it does give us a little glow. Hold on, y'all. It has the seal on it, which is great, because you want your products to have the little seal on it, so you know it's not been used. And so this is what the product looks like in your hand. We're just gonna dab some. So we didn't do any skincare. We don't have nothing on our skin today. I purposely did that because I wanted to show you all the products if I could, you know. All right, so it's giving me kind of like a primer feel, but it's nice. Okay, next we have, I knew that was gonna throw this in here, for Benefit, and it said Fan Face, and this is a mascara. I do have one of these already, so I'll probably be giving this to one of my girls. You know, I let them go shopping out of my drawer, out of my makeup drawers every month, so I'm probably gonna give them one. So I have like a few of them. So look, FanFest, and this is what the spoolie looks like. And I already have one some little lashes. We're gonna add a little volume. Boom. This is nice. This is a nice little travel size pack. And all of these that are in the IPSY bag are travel size products. So easy to carry in your bag when you go somewhere on a trip, to your grandma's house, to your mama's house, to your auntie house, you know. Throw it in your bag and give yourself a little touch up. Oh, I need some setting spray. So this is some setting spray, girlies and bookies. All right, so this is some setting spray. This is Shades by Shan. I love me some Shades by Shan. They have some really good products. So this is what the bottle looks like. And I like to smell spray. Spray and then put it on myself. So let's spray. Ooh. It's not really a smell to it, but let's give ourselves a miss. Ooh, look at the glow. Okay. I'm gonna let that set in. So that's what Miss Shades by Shan has for us. And what else do we have in our little IPSY bag? Nip and Fab Purify Slay Silic Fix. It's a clay mask. So I can't show y'all this, but I'm going to try it out one night when I do my skincare routine. So that's that. Oh, she thick. Hold on. It has like a green tint to it. An eyeshadow. Ooh. We love us some eyeshadow. And it's from Pink Lips. Oh, this is nice. Let's give this a swatch test, okay? It's very cutesy. Very cute maroon color. Ooh, pop of color. That's pretty. Beige. Let's do that again. Then we have this deep, I guess you would say some maroon. This is like a shimmery, a red, and then that would be like a dark plum color. Then we, of course, we got this gold or rose gold. Put it right there. That's pretty. And we have a brown. Oh, y'all, my fingers are so ashy. That's the brown. So this is the swatch test. Super cute colors. Very neutral, cute colors. So, y'all put this in y'all little bag, you know, on the go. And give yourself a little cute touch up or whatever. Now let's get into the Boxycharm box. Y'all, so in the Boxycharm box, you get 5 full-size beauty products, plus you get to pick 3 of those products, and guess what? They are worth up to $200, and you only have to pay $30 per month for the subscription. So come on, y'all, $30 versus $200. What you gonna do? Y'all, I'm gonna link the description down below. So if you choose to subscribe to a IPSY Boxycharm boxes every month, you get the IPSY bag for only $14 a month, and the IPSY Boxycharm box for $30 a month. You can cancel at any time. So let's get into this Boxycharm box. So we got 5 full-size products. First off, I see who J-Lo been hitting us up every month, baby. We have the J-Lo Beauty. This is a complexion booster, but this is what she looks like. Very, very luxury giving. So let's see. Oh my God, y'all been wanting like a little glow to me lately, and this would be so amazing. Either you can wear it by itself, or you can wear it up under your foundation. But look at that glow it's giving. Let me try it on my face. Let's just see. Let's just see. Ooh, let's see, it's a complexion booster. So, give me a glow. What y'all think? It's got a little glow to me or not? I think it gives a little cute little glow if you want to just plop it on and then you go out in the sun, you know, and it'll probably give you a little shimmer, a little highlighting look. Very cute. I love the packaging. J-Lo's very, very nice. Oh yes, y'all. Oh my God, I love me a good sugar scrub. So we got the Amania, I think it's how you pronounce it. And this is rose quartz sugar scrub. And yeah, this is very nice. Let me see how it smells, but this is what she looks like. This light is so bright. Okay, let's smell it. I absolutely love me a sugar scrub, y'all. Oh my god. Oh, wait, baby. My kids can't have this. Don't y'all even think about it. This mine. She smell good, y'all. If you get a body scrub, put this in your cart now. Oh, that smell good. Let me, oh, y'all. It rubs out like butter. Ooh. I like this feeling. It smells so clean, so refreshed. Let me scrub it on my hand, y'all. Oh, yeah. It's giving a good exfoliation. It's giving, I'ma be a clean girl. I'ma be a clean girl. I'ma be a clean girl. Yeah. Next, we have Had Me at Primer. This is so pretty. Reminds me of Barbie. It's an illuminating primer. So let's see. And see, this is the texture it gives, like a lotion like, and it is like a Barbie. It has like a little pearlsy, shimmery. You see how like shimmery looking it is, like Barbie. This is, I don't have anything else on this side so I can show y'all. Why is my finger so ashy, y'all? Jesus, y'all should have told me, girl, lotion your hand. We go through this every time. All right, anyways. Oh, mineral baked blush. And this is from, oh, El Maquiage. Ooh. Let's see what this blush is looking like. She's cute. Look at the little packaging. That's so pretty. So pretty. Oh, okay. So let's see if we can get a good. Oh, okay. She show up pretty good on me. I should have used a brush. We're gonna do both sides. That's so pretty. It's a pretty color. And it builds up really nicely. For considering I'm not using a brush or anything. Yeah, it's really cute. Give my nose a little action. Ooh. Hey, y'all know I like to say that, right? The last product is Reversal Rose Hip Intense Recovery Eye Serum. And this is by Kate Berkey. So let's see what the eye serum looks like. Uh-oh. Sure, y'all, I'll be dropping everything. This is nice. It's super cute. And a little dot on my hello. Let's give it a pump on the back of my hand. So that's what the contents look like. Very cooling. It does have a little smell like baby. Like some baby oil. Okay, you just need a dot. You know, you don't need much. So let's rub it in. Girl, I got some of everything going on. I got some blush on me, some glow. I want to try out these products with y'all. Okay. That's probably a bit much. Oh, I rub it in. All right, so y'all, those were the 5 full-size products. Ooh, okay. Period. My skin looks so refreshed. I'm so glowy right now. Like girl, giving glass skin, huh? Yeah. So this eye cream's supposed to hydrate and provide nutritional profiles of fruits and vegetables. It's a whole nutrition skincare by fortifying the skin with optimal nutrients, overall function, and vitality improve. Skin doesn't just appear healthier and more vibrant, it actually is. Okay, Kate Berkey, I like that. Alrighty, so girlies and booskies. Alright, Glam fam, so that is all for September's IPSY Boxycharm box opening. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I'll be back in October with a box opening to let you all know what's in that box, and I'll try to get a video up a little sooner. I do apologize for the late post, but yeah, thank you guys so much for tuning in, and make sure you click on that video that is recommended by YouTube that's coming up next. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I love you guys so much. Bye.
I get you what you want, but you want me alone. Baby, I get you what you want, but you want me home. I get you what you want, but you want me alone. Baby, I'm acting. I get you what you want. I don't want to wait too long. I don't want to wait too long.